Yesterday, a constitutional challenge to an AMBO regulation law in California was brought before the court, invoking the new Bruin framework. Here are the main points from the Rhode versus Bonta hearing. The state argued that the Bruin framework necessitates a holistic historical approach looking beyond the plain text of the law. They stressed the importance of an expert witness to provide context and justification for the legislation, as well as evidence of similar laws in the past. However, the judge raised two important concerns. First, he questioned the use of racist laws or laws from the Civil War era to support a decision in favor of the state. Secondly, he expressed frustration with repeated testimonies from the same experts in multiple cases. The second point was, the state argued that the plaintiffs lacked standing because they failed to present a declaration from someone denied ammo sales due to a background check or from across state lines. They claimed that most individuals initially denied had alternative avenues for redress and eventually obtained ammunition. The judge ruled that the plaintiffs must secure a declaration from an injured party within 30 days to establish standing for the lawsuit. The plaintiffs contended that approximately 15 to 16% of individuals applying for background checks were erroneously denied or faced administrative issues, which they believe constituted sufficient injury and standing. Third, regarding the question whether Bruin blessed background checks, the state pointed to footnote 9 in the Bruin case, which they claimed supported the legitimacy of background check methods. However, the judge questioned whether this conclusion was a stretch since the footnote was not in the core of the opinion. Lastly, as for the orders given and what comes next, Judge Benitez granted the state 60 days to submit declarations from experts with historical context to potentially avoid a trial and calling witnesses. Additionally, the judge ordered the plaintiffs to decide within 30 days if they wish to challenge any of those witnesses after the state's declarations were submitted. With the hearing concluded, the court awaits further submissions to continue this constitutional challenge under the new Bruin framework. Can't wait to see what happens next.